In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format paragraphs in Excel cells, a handy technique that allows you to neatly display multiple lines of text within the same cell. If you've ever struggled to make your data look organized or simply want to enhance the readability of your text within Excel, you'll find this guide incredibly useful. Let's dive in. Imagine you're working on a spreadsheet that requires descriptive text or long comments, and you wish to present this information in a structured way without spilling over to other cells or making your worksheet look cluttered. The solution is simple: inserting line breaks, often known as soft returns, within a single cell. This process is remarkably straightforward, especially if you're using a Windows operating system. The first step is to enter edit mode for the cell you want to format. You have a couple of options to do this. You can either double-click directly on the cell, or, for those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply press F2 on your keyboard. Either method will place you right in the cell, ready to make your edits. Once you're in the edit mode, navigate the cursor to the exact position where you want to begin a new line. This is crucial because it allows you to control how your text will appear, ensuring that it is readable and organized. Now, here's the magic keystroke. Press Alt and enter simultaneously. This combination inserts a line break at the cursor's position, allowing you to continue typing on a new line within the same cell. It's a seamless process that feels just like typing a paragraph in a word processor. As a tip, when using this feature, consider how your content will look. Are there natural breaks or pauses in the information where a new line would enhance clarity? While Excel is excellent for numbers, aligned and formatted text can make your data much more appealing and easier to interpret. Remember, this trick can dramatically improve the layout of any narrative or descriptive cell contents, whether it's for detailed instructions, lengthy explanations, or even just a person-centered design approach. Embrace this neat trick to maintain the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your spreadsheets. This simple technique can become a staple in your Excel toolkit. So the next time you need to handle a bit of text-heavy work in Excel, you'll know precisely how to do it with style and precision. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to make your Excel documents stand out with formatted paragraphs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice this new skill, and be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you next time.